Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Financeable. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to your BitStamp account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, just go to your default browser and search bitstamp.net. Now, as you can see, you are already redirected to the official page of BitStamp. You just have to click on Get Started. Now, from here, you just simply have to enter your credential that includes your first name, your last name, your email, and your date of birth. And just click Continue to sign up. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.